guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is about taking this dated living room and turning it into this fabulous oasis where it's much warm, inviting, the colors are bright and exciting. We added some wall art, green plants, gave her these tufted swivel back chairs, and now the piece is in conversation area. This before living room with the dated chairs and none of the furniture came together. It just looked like a hodgepodge of different items placed in one room. So the space was transformed, adding wall art, beautiful floral, and still keeping her old original dining room table, this gorgeous rug, because that turquoise is her favorite color, was added, and then a punch of yellow. Heading over to this family room was the most dramatic transformation, taking that back fireplace wall and creating a wainscoting effect, redoing the fireplace tile, just adding an upscale element to this area and a new place for the television area where there would be storage. Adding a real mantle to the fireplace was a big part of the focal. Would you look at the outcome? Added this beautiful drapery, had wainscoting on the back wall, stack stone on the fireplace, actual storage for the television area, and then more drapery to soften it up. Greenery. We did keep the client's old sofa table, but the before of this was just really tragic, and turning this into something that they would feel comfortable. But this is what I love about it, guys. We still utilize their old furniture. We just added elements, warmth, texture, and that's what changed this decor. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.